Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2021 Cardinal 345. Really nice coach. I don't know if you know about the Cardinals, but they're built really strong, sturdy, aluminum frame, of course. Right off the bat, when you look outside, you can notice the two awnings, just in case there is something in the way, a tree or so. So you can have the freedom to do that. Big huge basement underneath there. You can see it all through. No obstacles in there, so that's pretty cool to have that basement. I call it a basement because it's that big. You can tell, of course, the outside windows, those are frameless windows. That gives you lots of privacy, gets you, to open the window without worrying about rain or anything going in there. So let's go inside and show you more. All right, folks, we're inside. Very welcoming coach. As you can see, lots of counter space. Got a nice counter around the stove. Four-door fridge, pretty cool. Big fridge, nice pantry, two recliners, power. Then you have that couch, nice touches with the couch, the colors. A fan, you got the fan, nice ambiance really with the LED lights, big TV, fireplace, dinette there. You got 4 chairs. Nice setup here. Even as we go into the bedroom, you can't help but to see this beautiful big huge bathroom, double sink. You go in the bedroom, big closet. You can dance in this bedroom. That's how spacious it is. Again, the Cardinals, they build real good, strong, RVs. One of my favorites, but the Cardinal got this reputation about it that will keep you warm in the winter and keep you cool in the summer. So let's go outside and show you more. All right, folks, here we are outside in the Cardinal luxury edition. You can see all the benefits from the outside, from like I mentioned, frameless windows to the awnings, 2 awnings there, outside kitchen, the beautiful basement, nice strong sturdy stairs right there you can see. And if you look underneath, those are all hydraulics, no electric stabilizers. Push a button, it levels itself. There's a ton of information available on this coach. Just give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.